Have you ever thought about what really happens behind the scenes of air travel? Get ready to uncover the 4 dirty little secrets about airplanes that airlines keep hidden from passengers. From the dark corner of airplane maintenance to the secrets of the cockpit. This video will expose the truths about air travel that will shock you to your core. Get ready to have your mind blown as we take you on a journey through the dark side of the aerospace industry. The dirty truth about airplane maintenance. Maintaining an airplane is a complex and critical task that cannot be overlooked. This maintenance is critical to ensure that airplanes operate safely and reliably, but unfortunately, some airlines cut corner to save money. This can lead to dangerous situations for passengers. One of the ways airlines cut corner is by using unlicensed mechanics. While all aircraft mechanics are required to have a Federal Aviation Administration license, some airlines have been known to use unlicensed mechanics who may not have the necessary training or experience to perform repairs correctly. This can result in shoddy repairs that put passengers at risk. Another way airlines cut corners is by neglecting important repairs. Airplanes are designed to withstand a lot of wear and tear, but over time, parts can wear out or break down. Airlines are supposed to inspect and repair airplanes on a regular basis, but some airlines skip or delay these inspections to save money. This can result in serious safety issues, including engine failure and other malfunctions. Unfortunately, these practices aren't always easy to detect. Many airlines have teams of lawyers and PR professionals who work hard to keep their dirty little secrets hidden from the public. However, by staying informed and advocating for change in the industry, we can help ensure that airlines prioritize passenger safety over their bottom line. The secrets of the cockpit. The cockpit is the nerve center of an airplane, where the pilots sit and control the aircraft. But what really goes on in the cockpit? Most passengers have no clue what happens behind closed doors, but the truth is that there are some dirty secrets that airlines keep hidden from the public. One of the most surprising secrets of the cockpit is that pilots are often overworked and underpaid. Many pilots work long hours with little rest, which can lead to fatigue and impaired judgment. Some airlines pay their pilots low salaries and offer little job security, which can also lead to stress and burnout. All of these factors can compromise safety and put passengers at risk. Another dirty secret of the cockpit is that some pilots have mental health issues that go undetected. Mental health is a taboo subject in the aviation industry, and many pilots are reluctant to seek help for fear of losing their job. This can lead to dangerous situations if a pilot experiences a mental health crisis while flying. Finally, there are concerns about pilot training and experience. While all pilots are required to undergo rigorous training and licensing procedures, some airlines may cut corner to save money. This can result in pilots who are less experienced or less qualified than they should be, which can lead to safety issues. It's important to note that not all airlines engage in these practices, and many pilots are highly trained, experienced, and dedicated professionals. However, by shining a light on these dirty secrets of the cockpit, we can encourage airlines to prioritize pilot safety and invest in training and support programs that ensure that pilots are well-rested, mentally healthy, and highly qualified. The truth about airplane hygiene. Have you ever wondered how clean airplanes really are? It's no secret that airplanes can be breeding grounds for germs and bacteria, but the truth is that some airlines do a better job of cleaning their planes than others. One dirty little secret is that airlines may not always clean their planes as thoroughly as they should. While airlines are required to clean their planes between flights, some airlines may not have the time or resources to do a better job. This can result in dirty tray tables, sticky armrest, and contaminated surfaces that can spread germs and illness. Another dirty secret is that some airlines may not change the air filters in their planes as often as they should. Air filters are critical for maintaining good air quality in the cabin, but if they're not changed regularly, they can become clogged with dirt and debris. This can compromise air quality and increase the risk of respiratory infections. Additionally, some airlines may not use the most effective cleaning products to disinfect their planes. While airlines are required to use EPA-approved cleaning products, not all products are created equal. Some airlines may use cheaper, less effective products that don't kill all germs and bacteria. One other thing to keep in mind is that some airlines are cleaner than others. In 2019, airline cleanliness ratings were released, with Japan Airlines ranking as the cleanest airline in the world and United Airlines ranking as the dirtiest. Of course, these rankings can change from year to year and from airline to airline, so it's always a good idea to do your own research and read reviews from other passengers before booking your flight. All in all, the truth about airplane cleanliness is a bit unsettling. While it's important to keep in mind that airplanes are not always as clean as we might like them to be, there are still steps we can take to protect ourselves and stay healthy while flying. So next time you're on a plane, be sure to bring some hand sanitizer. However, airlines also have a responsibility to maintain high standards of cleanliness and invest in the resources necessary to keep their planes as germ-free as possible. The dark side of airline fees. Airline fees have become a fact of life for most passengers. From baggage fees to seat selection fees, airlines have found creative ways to squeeze more money out of passengers. But the truth is that these fees can be deceptive, unfair, and even illegal in some cases. One dirty little secret is that airlines often use deceptive advertising to hide the true cost of air travel. For example, airlines may advertise low base fares, but then add on a long list of fees and charges that can significantly increase the price of the ticket. This can make it difficult for passengers to compare prices and make informed decisions about their travel. Another dirty secret is that some airline fees are unfair and discriminatory. For example, airlines may charge extra fees for passengers who need special accommodations, such as those who require wheelchair assistance or those who need extra legroom. This can make air travel even more expensive for those who are already at a disadvantage. Additionally, some airline fees may be illegal or in violation of consumer protection laws. For example, airlines may charge excessive fees for changing or canceling a ticket, or they may charge fees that are not disclosed upfront. These practices can be deceptive and even illegal in some cases. It's important for passengers to understand the true cost of air travel and to advocate for fair and transparent pricing practices. By holding airlines accountable and demanding better transparency and fairness in pricing, we can work towards a more equitable and consumer-friendly airline industry. Now that you know the 4 dirty little secrets about airplanes that airlines keep hidden from passengers, you may be feeling a bit uneasy about air travel. But the truth is that these secrets are not unique to the aviation industry. Every industry has its dirty little secrets, and it's up to us as consumers to demand transparency and accountability from companies. As passengers, we have a right to know what goes on behind the scenes of air travel. By educating ourselves and advocating for our rights, we can work towards a safer, cleaner, and more affordable air travel experience for everyone. So the next time you board a plane, remember these dirty little secrets and take steps to protect yourself. There are many ways to contribute to a healthier and safer environment, from simple actions like frequently washing your hands and bringing your own disinfectant wipes to advocating for fair and transparent pricing practices. Remember, every small effort can make a big difference in protecting yourself and those around you. Thank you for watching, and safe travels.